What's up guys, welcome to Bombay Boy Who Pedals and to the bike spec video of what is widely regarded as one of the best budget full suspension cross country slash down country slash trail mountain bikes in the world, the Polygon Siskiyou D7. Polygon is a bicycle manufacturing company based out of Indonesia who have now been making bikes for over 30 years and over time have solidified their position of being right up there with all the major bike brands of the world. But unfortunately, they do not get the amount of attention that they rightly deserve, which comes as a surprise because unlike most other big bike brands, they do not outsource the manufacturing of their frames to China or Taiwan, but in fact do it themselves in their own in-house facility in Surabaya, Indonesia. And not just that, Polygon bikes have seen a decent amount of success even in racing, especially in the mountain bike world, with the most notable examples being their wins at the 2015 and 2017 Red Bull Rampage. Alright, now that we've bitten into some facts about Polygon, let's get after the specs of their bike, the Siskiyou D7. The Polygon Siskiyou D7 comes with a triple-butted 6061 aluminium frame, wherein the front and the rear triangles are both aluminium. The Siskiyou D7 comes with a one-piece linkage system that not only increases the stiffness but also decreases the weight at the same time. And among some other updated features on the frame, you get a tapered head tube, internal cable routing that is compatible with the dropper post, and standard boost through axle dropouts. The 2021 Siskiyou D7 frame also comes with updated geometry, so the bike now gets a slacker head tube angle, more extended reach, a lower BB, and shorter chainstays to improve climbing and descending performance. Now before we move forward, I want to quickly bring your attention to one very small yet unignorable issue with the frame. The fact that it comes spec'd for only one bottle cage, and that too for a very limited capacity bottle, which isn't a really big issue for people looking to have some fun on the trails, but a big problem for people looking to race cross country. The front suspension on the bike is by RockShox and is their new Recon Silver RL. The fork comes with 120 mm of travel, manual fork lockouts, compression and rebound damping, and standard through axle spacing. The rear shock on the bike is by RockShox as well and is the new Deluxe Select Plus. This shock comes with 120 mm of travel, a highly tunable debonair spring, an RT damper, and the new Maxima Plush damping fluid that helps reduce friction and noise. The 2021 Siskiyou D7 comes with the brand new Shimano M5100 1x11 speed drivetrain that comprises of a 32-teeth Dior crankset, a Shimano Dior threaded bottom bracket, an 11-speed KMC chain, a Shimano Dior 11-speed rear derailleur, and a Shimano Dior 11-speed 1151 cassette. The stopping power of the bike comes from a set of Shimano MT200 hydraulic disc brakes that are coupled with a pair of center-lock Alluvio rotors, 180mm in the front and 160 at the back. The wheels on the bike are by Polygon's in-house brand Entity and are built around a pair of 32-hole double-wall alloy rims, 14G stainless steel spokes, and a set of alloy hubs with sealed bearings. Stuck to these are a pair of 27.5 into 2.25 inch Schwalbe Nobby Nick performance tires. As a side note, I'd also like to add that the wheels that come with this bike are frame size specific, wherein the small size frames come with 27.5 inch wheels, large and XL size frames come with 29 inch wheels, while medium size frames come with an option for both. The cockpit on the bike comprises of an Entity Expert alloy handlebar, an Entity Expert alloy step, and a zero stack threadless headset. The 2021 Siskiyou D7 comes with a Transx dropper post that comes with 150 mm of drop in small and medium sizes and 170 mm of drop in sizes large and extra large. And finally, to wind things up, the saddle on the bike is an Entity Void. Now the price of the 2021 Polygon Siskiyou D7 is 1,45,990 rupees, while the weight in size medium is 14.3 kilos. Now if you're interested in purchasing this bike, make sure you give the guys at Hebo Extreme a call. They'll definitely help you out. I'd also like to give a big shout out to Lesh and Shrey from MMO for showing up and lending us their bikes. So that was the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Now before you guys tune out, make sure you like and share the video, and also leave your opinions in the comments below. I love interacting with you guys in the comments. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell button as well. Until next time, this is Bombay Boy who pedals. Bye bye.